Hey everyone, it's Leslie again. Welcome back to my channel. So it's March, and this month I have decided to dedicate all of my time, basically, to my skincare. I have struggled with my skin since the beginning of time. Basically, I have dark marks all over my face, my back, like everywhere you could possibly think of. I have hyperpigmentation, scarring, dark marks, all of that stuff. And I decided that I would spend time to just focus on getting healthy, clean, clear skin for once in my life. So I'm solely using London Ivy products to take care and clear up and help and make my skin amazing all month long. The products are all organic and natural, so that's probably one of my favorite things about it. And I have heard amazing things about the serum. So I'm super excited to use this and to see the results in April. So I'll be sharing a video every single week of just progress to give you an update on what my skin's looking like, how I'm liking the products, how everything's doing. So look out for those. Every morning and night, I'm gonna be washing my face with the facial cleanser. Following the face cleanser, I will be using the Refreshing and Balancing Face Toner. After the facial toner, I will be using one of two serums, either the Rejuvenating and Nourishing or the Rejuvenating and Hydrating. I'm gonna spend 1 week using one and then switch it to the other the following week. Once a week, I will also be using the Golden Glow face mask as well as the Coffee and Cacao face mask. Prior to using my face masks, I will be steaming my face, and along with all of the amazing products, I'm going to be drinking as much water as possible using the My Waters app. I think I'm gonna try and do 70 ounces a day. And I've also struggled with picking my face all the time, whether it be pimples or like whatever, scars. Like I'm constantly touching my face, and I know that hands are disgusting and carry so much bacteria, and I shouldn't be touching my face with them, but I do. And so this month I'm going to try and stop doing that. Actually, I am going to stop doing that because I know it's not gonna benefit my skin in any way, shape, or form. So that I will be drinking as much water as possible. I will only be using London Ivy skincare products, and there is one more thing, but I cannot remember right now. Oh yeah, and I will not be wearing makeup at all this month. I might wear mascara, maybe, but overall I most likely will not be wearing any makeup at all this month. So don't expect super slayed photos because these eyebrows will not be done. All right, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, and follow my journey. Every single Friday, there will be a video posted with an update, as well as on Instagram, you can follow the hashtag #SkinLikeLesley. See you guys later. Bye.